back at Sebago. Here to do a little woodworking project. This is the cutting board. I think it's the original cutting board from our Origo stove. It has, through the years, seen much moisture, changes in humidity, whatever, and it's starting to fall apart. Everything's kind of loose on it. I was debating whether I could maybe reassemble this. I probably could and get it to last a little bit longer, but it's just kind of a stopgap. So I've decided to rebuild it. A couple years ago, I grabbed some offcuts and defect pieces from a job, a flooring job. This is all maple flooring. So I grabbed a bunch of pieces. It's a joke on the job now when there's a scrap piece of wood that's not like obviously garbage. People are like, oh, Hans will use it on the boat. So I've got these pieces of maple from the flooring. Patrick is rebuilding the Whitehall. He got some mahogany pieces from another job. These are offcuts of his work, rebuilding the gunnel and inwale. So he's like, do you want these to fit in between? I thought, yeah. You know, the original has this dark light pattern, and originally I was like, nah, I don't need to redo that, but I think I might like it. The light maple with the mahogany. I think that's going to look nice. Anyway, recycling material, I like that. So yeah, that's what I'm doing today. I'm going to try to get these to where I can glue them up. Boom, boom. Oh, it's called 9/16. I'm going to take these next door, run them through the thickness planer in 7/16. In the end, I'm just going to take off whatever I need to take off to get rid of this ridge in the back. Okay, cut them down to 5/8. This, I need to change that dimension. I'll figure that out when I get to it. Cool. Done with you. I'm going to make all the little in-between straighter things 3/8 of an inch. Just it's easier. I'm sitting in there going 13, 30 seconds, 3/8. Just make them all 3/8 and then I can adjust. Yeah, it's just a touch over 3/8 interval, so I'm not too worried. 17. Perfect. So I've got the outside, I've got two middles, and then these are, yeah. Right, let's cut these in half, and then these are going to go. So approximately something like that. Yeah. Well, that is pretty. This one, no. I just cut all these to a closer approximate length. A little more view. Let's squeeze that a bit. Way too much. That will have to do. Cool. Yeah, I have to clean up the glue. The sooner you get the glue off, get it off when it's wet, at least the majority of it. Some of it I can't get because it's blocks, but the less, it saves a lot of work later. Having to sand all that shit off is just annoying. But, I mean, that's pretty good. Pretty happy with how that came out. Yeah, cool. And we'll check back on it probably this weekend, I think. Okay, let's wrap it up.